Hi friends, let's do a Gua Sha only focusing on jawline and our neck. This is my before and after Gua Sha. After this Gua Sha exercise, you will get a defined sculpted jawline. Now let's get into it. First, apply some essential oils to your face and your neck. Now we use the heart-shaped part of the Gua Sha tool to glide from our chin to ear. Do it 20 times for each side. When you glide upwards, you can wiggle over the acupoints for a few seconds to help enhance circulation and lymphatic drainage. Now switch side. Now moving on to our chin area. In order to get that defined sculpted jawline, we gotta put some extra effort, and let's start from the middle part of our chin to upper neck area. And do it 30 times each side. Now switch to the left side. Okay, now switch to the right side. Moving to our neck to shoulder area, feel free to add some more oils if you need it. We still use the same heart-shaped part of the Gua Sha tool to scrape from our neck to our shoulder for lymphatic drainage. And we do it 20 times each side. Notice some redness appear on my neck, and that's what we call Sha. It's not a bruise and it's not dangerous. Sha is basically a temporary mark that shows where your body might have had poor circulation or built up tension. Do Gua Sha, you're using a tool to gently scrape the skin that helps boost blood flow and brings any stagnation or tossing up to the surface. Think of it like this. Your body's been holding on to some stress or junk, and Gua Sha is helping it come out. The darker the color, usually the more tension or blockage was there. But don't worry, these marks usually fade in a few days, and many people actually feel lighter, more relaxed, and refreshed afterwards. Our Gua Sha exercise is coming to an end. If you do it consistently for a week, you will see a significant change to your face. I hope you enjoy the Gua Sha exercise, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.